Okay, hello guys. Today we're going to opening the
Moj Moj.
Moj Moj.
So these are new Moj Moj, right,
Yes.
Maya? Ooh, the surprise crunchy. It's the surprise crunchy world.
This is the surprise crunchy room.
Yeah. All right, let's see what we get.
So let's get started.
All right.
I need some help.
All right. Let's help. Who'd you get?
He doesn't have a tail. He's with blue eyes.
Blue eyes. Oh, that's so cute, Maya. Can I see? Oh, he's
And
so
guys,
cute.
Look, what is this? So you open it from here.
You guys hear it?
And guys, look. What you do with these is like little things. And then when you take that out, so this guy is supposed to be here. And the cactuses, look right here. So you slide it down and then you put
Hold
it
on, you
here.
can't really see it.
And then when the cactuses are out, you have to gently collect
So that's
them
like their
out.
little house, right, Maya?
Yeah. Wait, that's the dessert.
Oh, yeah, you're so right.
I'm always right. Because like cactuses are really, really bad. You can't
They're
just-
pokey.
Yeah. They're pokey.
So that's what you do, guys.
So what you do on these cactuses, you see the line here and then you're gonna push it down. But if it's stuck, they'll be over. But and here, you just put it deep down, and then when it's like that, you put this here, you put this inside, and then you see the little cactuses go right
Wow, guys.
here. Wait, what? What? The sky is upside down.
Oh. There we
So
go.
it's like here. So when you see no line here, you have to put the sky here. But how you put the sky, do that and then place it right here. When the line is right here, it's supposed to be like that way.
You guys see?
And the cactuses go right here. But first we gotta put the and then we how to color that, and then now we open it. Ooh! Okay. I'm closing this. Okay. Now we're gonna open the next. Oh!
And that's how they are in their house.
No, I can't believe it. They can't be.
We won't be getting through all of them. We are opening a lot of
There's
them.
a cat with his front balloons.
Ooh. Can I see? Wow. Oh, it's so cute. Look, guys. Wow. It's so cute.
Yeah. Oh, another one. There's a different one. The fishes.
Yeah. Oh, he is. Oh, wow. He is ultra rare. Yep, he's ultra rare.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, why don't you wrap the other ones? Yeah, and I'll get them in their houses.
Okay. Pink again. And a red. Sometimes you. Really?
Guys, these are so cute. They're sparkly and adorable. Wow,
Let's see what we got. A cute little thingy. Able to have the present right here.
Oh,
The little one with has. This is like an alien thing. Nope, they can't be this.
oh, it's cute. Which one is it? Is it the little skunk?
Yeah, this is the purple skunk.
Ooh, they're from the Cosmic. Oh, Cosmic Crunch.
Cosmic Crunch?
Yeah, Cosmic Crunch. That's cute. Wow, Maya, that's so cute. All right, where's the rest of the stuff so I can start putting them? Ooh.
Oh, honey. So we're opening the I haven't seen it. I can't open it.
Here, let's see.
There can't be.
Did you get another old? Oh, that one's so cute.
I love cats. You know how much I love
Oh,
cats.
they're from the Scrunchies.
Scrunchies?
Oh yeah. You sure it's a cat?
Yeah.
Oh wow, that is so. Yeah, it is. It's a kitty. Oh, I love the colors, Maya. Wow. That is so cute. Where's the box? Can I have the box, please?
Oh, here it is.
Alright, let's see.
Bend out. Wait, this the white kitten and then the fish one. They can't be. Same.
Two twinsies! Look at that! Oh wow! Here, let me have one. Thank you.
Wait, if you press it from here, it's really, easy. Like,
That is so cute. Can you pass me the box, please, so I can set up the.
sure.
Thank you, I appreciate it. What?
Wait, this is a different one. It's on the beach.
Isn't that cute?
Yes. No, it's a cat.
That one.
Which one do we got?
Ooh, I can't.
So, we got it this one, I think.
Oh, okay, he is from the captains. Oh, isn't that cute?
But where is he?
He is right here. Look.
Wait, he's right here now.
Yeah.
Wait,
Look.
he stinks. Look.
Those are cute. All right, let's see. Give me the box.
So, ooh.
Right there's that pink one.
Oh, yeah. Wait.
Are those two different? Oh, I think it's here. Look.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you. All right, where's the rest? Yeah. So let's throw the garbage on the floor. Here, give me that. Thank you.
Oh, look.
Can you guys hear it? It's crunchy. They're cute. They're really cute, right, Maya?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see what's next. Can you pass them to me?
No way. He's full of water.
Oh! Wow!
Wait, is he on a checklist?
Let's see.
He's a unicorn. He's a unicorn, but it has water.
Wow! He is adorable.
Wait.
What do you guys think of him?
Wait,
He's from the Star Beans.
wait. Where is
Right there.
he? Wait.
You know what the funny thing is? That he's so clear. He's
You hear the noises? Look, when you squish it from the bottom, you see.
so funny because he shines like a
Look, you see the bubble? That is water.
That is cute. Wow, he is by far my favorite.
Me too.
Can I get the
Wait,
things to set him
he
up?
has a cloud on him.
That's so cute.
Look, guys.
Thank you.
And here's his thing.
Let's see. Where is
Here. Wait, that is a pizza for it. The candy. Wait. This is a twin!
it? Wow! Isn't that cute?
Yep, I know this is gonna be with the same thing. I know.